So can you describe something about yourself?
Yeah, my name is Imran Ali and I am from Karamdi. And if I talk about my strengths, so I am self-motivated, hardworking and a disciplined person. And my short-term goal is to get a job in a MBBS doctor company. And my long-term goal is to achieve a good position where I can build my career organization too. That's all.
Okay, so you want to make your career good.
Yeah.
And well, and you want to become a doctor.
Yes.
Okay, so that can you tell me that how much work you have to do for becoming a doctor? How much struggle you have to do?
I will do very hard.
So you first tell me that you are learning in the ECL.
Yeah.
So can you tell me that who advised you to come to join the ECL?
My mother advised me that you go in ECL and learn many things, that many people learn English. So my mother she said you go ECL and learn.
Okay. So after joining ECL, how do you feel here?
I feel very better.
Very better.
Yeah.
So can you speak English?
Yeah, I can speak English.
You can speak English?
Yes.
Okay, so in which class are you?
I am in 5th class standard.
5th class.
Yeah.
5th standard. You are
Yeah.
in 5th standard and you are speaking very well English. Okay. So can you tell me that why the people are speaking English?
The people speak English because nowadays English is very important. When you will go any other countries, so there are very important English, that otherwise you will not speak English, so they can't understand your voice and everything. You can't do anything.
Okay, it means that English language is most important. If you go outside, so you face a lot of the problem,
Yeah.
and then you can talk to in English and you can maintain your language also. Very good. Okay, so you are from English medium school or Hindi medium school?
I am from English medium school.
English medium school.
Yes.
Can you tell me your school name?
Yeah, my school name is New Indian College, Sonarsa, Gonda.
Sonarsa
Gonda.
New Indian College, Sonarsa Gonda. Okay. So which is your favorite subject?
My most favorite subject is English.
Your most favorite subject is English. So okay. So one thing you tell me that after joining, what do you like to say about ECL?
I want to say that about ECL, that if someone will not join ECL, so they can't. Many people of any villager said, what is English? English is nothing. When they will join in ECL, then they will know what is English.